Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Alexis. In this video, as you can see from the title, I'm sure I'm going to be trying out the new Urban Decay cherry palette. I went to Mecca and I got a few things from the collection, but sad part is the really pretty like magenta pink eyeliner that they had was out. So I didn't end up getting either of the eyeliners because the black one, the blacky brown one, I can't remember the name of it, but it didn't like grab me. I wasn't like, oh, I have to have this like I was with the other one, but literally came out on Thursday or Wednesday, picked it up on Thursday, and the other eyeliner that I was really keen for was gone. So hashtag sad time for Alexis. Anyway, so here is the Naked Cherry palette, and I picked up two of the lipsticks because one of them was sold out, but I picked up two of the lipsticks. I picked up Cherry and Juicy because they really spoke to me, and I'm like, ooh, I have to have these colors. They're just so beautiful. So I'm going to open this up. So this is what the palette itself looks like. It's very hard plastic. It comes with its own brush and quite a sizable mirror with it. So this is what the palette looks like. And you can see, like, I was actually kind of debating on whether or not I wanted to pick this palette up simply because I just got the Blood Sugar palette from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and I'm like, you know, it's got a lot of, you know, pinks and stuff like that in it, but it is more red based, whereas this is more pink cherry based. So I was like, stuff it, get it. So if you're interested in watching me review a few of the products from the Naked Cherry release of from the Naked Cherry collection release, then keep watching. So the first color that I want to go in with is, I don't know. I want to go in with this color here, which is Juicy. Or no, that's Feels, my bad. So it's the fourth color in on the palette, and I'm going to take this floofy ended brush that comes with the palette, and I'm just going to start working that as my transition shade. Now I have already primed and foundationed and all that other jazz off camera because again, like I said in my last video, once you've seen it done once, you've seen it done 100 times, so there's no point in doing it again. So yeah. So far that's a really pretty transition shade. Like, that's really pretty. I like this. I like it a lot. All right, the next color I'm going to go in with is this pink shade here. It's called Bing. And I'm just going to start working that in the crease on the same brush, not changing brushes. And I'm going to work that deeper in the crease. Gonna go back over that again. Just see if I can get a little deeper. Ooh, that's nice too. That's really nice. All right, just gonna do the same thing on the other eye. Wow, so far, like, there's like zero effort on my part as far as this is concerned. This is just really pretty like it is. Well, I don't really want to fart with it, but at the same time, like, I kind of want to do a little bit more. I'm gonna go back into that first shade, Feels, and I'm going to buff up a little bit higher on my left eye because I feel like Feels is getting lost in my hood, which is awesome. The joys of having hooded eyes. Alright, so that's looking pretty good, guys. I'm actually really impressed with this. Now, if you've watched my channel before, I really do like the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. That palette is so amazing, and if you don't have it, you've got to pick it up. It is so, so good. Alright, so I've got those two shades laid down, and the eyes are looking very nice. No patchy, no skipping, no jumping. It just looks really, really great. All right, so the next color I'm going to go in with is, I think I'm going to go in with Devilish, which is the color right next door. It is this one here. All right, and I'm going to take a smaller brush. This is the E9 from ColourPop, and I'm just going to start working that in my outer V. I'm almost half tempted to do a cut crease today and play with a couple of the shimmer colors, but I'm not sure. I think I might go for it. Screw it. I've got some time. Not going anywhere. That's really pretty. That is so pretty so far. All right, I'm gonna grab my concealer, I'm gonna cut my crease, and then we will be right back. Alright guys, so what I've done is I have used my Stila Heaven's Hue highlighter in the color Luminescence, which is this one here. Very pretty color. Use that to highlight. I haven't blushed, but I don't really feel like I need to, so I don't think I'm gonna. I used my brow definer from Anastasia Beverly Hills for my eyebrows, and I went ahead and did a little bit of a highlight color with which color? With Turn On, the color that I did here. I went ahead and highlighted under my brow as well. So now I've got the Maybelline Color Sensational Precision Lip Liner in the color Plum. And I'm just gonna line my lips. Alright, so that is my lips lined. Now, I'm not really sure what color I want to wear today. I think I'm going to end up wearing the darker one, but I might change my mind. So this is the color Juicy. I'll show you on the back of my hand. This is kind of like, it seems like almost like a little bit of a topper to me, but it's got that really beautiful gold pink shift that you can see there. And, oh, far for new again. All right. Oh, and by the way, this is the packaging. It is super duper cute. All right, and so this is the color Cherry. Now this is a darker color. Get into the box. That's the biggest part that sucks, is that you just pile up stuff. All right, so this is Cherry, and it's a very deep black cherry color. And I'm gonna put that on, but I think I might put a bit of Juicy on as well. That's a gorgeous color on. Oh, such a gorgeous color on. Glad I went with that plum liner. Max, seriously, buddy? Okay, apparently. All right, so just to lighten it up a little bit, I am going to put Juicy in the middle. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That is my final look for today. So, my thoughts on the collection that I have. I am really impressed with this palette. It is so pretty. It wasn't hard to achieve this look at all. Everything blended really beautifully. There was no skipping, no issues with having to like really go in and like build up color and stuff like that. I am very, very happy with the way this turned out. The lipstick, super creamy and just really, really nice. And as you could see, it didn't take a lot for me to actually get the opacity. It was just like one swipe and you're good to go. The Juicy color, while it has glitter in it, I don't feel any like grit in my teeth, or not my teeth, on my lips. If you are interested and you were kind of on the fence about it, this eyeshadow palette is gorgeous. The great thing is it's not going away. So if you can't get it now, you can always get it later. I definitely am going to go back and get that eyeliner that I really wanted. I'm going to look it up because I can't remember what the name of it was and it's driving me crazy. Apparently there's a highlighter and blush palette. I did not see that. That's interesting. I wouldn't mind getting my hands on that as well. Let's see. Devilish was the other color that they didn't have, which is this really pretty sparkly pink color. It's gorgeous. Love Drug was the plum color that I was talking about that I really wanted to get my hands on. And the other one is Black Market, which is like well, this one is a perfect description. It's a shimmering graphite. So like, you know, like a pencil, like your lead pencil, when you write with it, that's kind of the color that I was kind of like, yeah, don't really need to have. But other than that, super excited with this collection, with what I do have of it. Can't really say anything else more about it. That's it. That's the end of the video, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the notification bell so you know every time I upload, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.